All right, folks. So, once again, just like last year. Now, last year you got, I think it was a 25-piece Torx. Or no, it was a 25-piece square. My man Tony gave it to me when I went over to his pad for a filming. But 3-tool pack out. All right, you're going to get it for the same price as the milk crate pack out 3-piece combo. Again, this is not the foam box, which is good. It is the aluminum supported pack out box. So add it to your cart. Actually, I did it already. Son of a gun. You freak. All right, we can fix it. No big deal. All right, so once you put it in your box, now you wouldn't know until you put it into your cart. It's still going to say $199, but once you view your cart, there'll be $20 taken off, and there is free shipping. Okay? $149. Actually, they dropped it down from $199 for the holidays. So, again, international usually comes up big this time of year, right? With some deals. Now, like you guys remembered probably last Christmas, they were probably the best out there for that, 6-week period. They were just dominating. They do take a little bit longer with shipping, so this is in stock and it says ships in 12 hours. So you're good. Besides some delays in shipping, obviously some people are going to comment saying whatever, they got screwed. You're going to probably get that anywhere, but $179, this is the cheapest price. I thought I'd bring it to you. All right. International Tool, $179 total. Done deal. Done deal. Done deal.